In today's recipe, I'm going to make a healthy tuna salad, and I'm going to make a sandwich with it. Going to chop up 2 stalks of celery sticks in teeny tiny little pieces. They will give you a nice crunch in the tuna salad, and I love celery, so good. Same thing we are going to do with the scallions. Chop them up. All right, tomato, same thing. Slice it and dice it. Slice it this way, slice, and just dice it. So let's keep all the size of celery and green onions and tomatoes same little chunks, nothing too big. That is so good. And then we have cilantro. Chop it any way you like. Alrighty, so much freshness that comes with it. Chili, mild green chili, any kind. It's optional. If you want it, go ahead. If you don't want it, I love it, so I'm going to add it. When it comes to the canned foods, I already wiped it, but these days, because of corona, I'm always double wiping my cans because you don't know how long they've been sitting there in the store. So I'm going to do this. All right, let's open them. Now I can put it on my cutting board because I know it's clean. I think it's done. Yep. I don't know about others, but I like to drain my tuna. Just going to drain the water out. It's not much, but I don't know, I don't like the smell of it. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. Okay, now for avocado. Sometimes they're not good, sometimes they're very good. We try to get the good ones, but it's lockdown and not too many fresh things are coming. Let me see if I can pop this out to see. Looks good. Okay, so let's cut it like that. Open it. Oh, perfect. Otherwise, I was going to replace it with a guacamole salsa and just use half a cup of this one. That was my backup plan. So this looks pretty good. I'm going to slice it like that and then try to peel it off. Let me see if I can do it. Okay, I'll be right back. I wanted to go look for the smaller knife and I got it. Just pick it up like that. See if there's anything you need to take off. Same thing. I'm going to slice this one and another slice. There we go. So one avocado is going in our tuna salad. I just had the replacement ready. Just going to mash this up. I'm replacing mayo for avocado. So I changed my mind. I'm going to add some guacamole. This is optional. You don't have to. But since it's mildly spicy, I want to make my tuna salad a little bit spicy. So there you go. No need for mayonnaise. This is done. Add your tuna. Done. Add all that yummy stuff. and healthy. Did I mention healthy? Yeah. Celery, I love celery, I love tomatoes, I love avocados. It's just all the good stuff in the world. And we have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Let's mix all that together. You can put it on a piece of bread. You can keep it in the refrigerator for a short period of time. Oh man, that looks good. My cats is right here, 2 of them. They're going nuts because they smell the tuna. Okay. Tuna is already salty, so I try not to, but just a pinch of salt, just a pinch, because we have all that other stuff in there. And also just a little pinch of black pepper powder. That's it, because we have green chili in there. That's gonna work wonders for me. So a little bit of this salt and a little pinch of black pepper is pretty good. This looks messy. Let me put it in another dish for you so you can see it. And then I will put it on a bread. This is so healthy and yummy. I replaced mayo for avocado. And just look at that. This is healthy. Try to make it. I know a lot of people don't like the tuna concept, desi people, but this is really good and it's healthy. Please try it. My kids love it, my family loves it, and if you make it this way, I'm pretty sure you will love it. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your family and friends. See how pretty that is? And it's equally tasty. Bismillah. All right guys, see you later with another recipe. Please do try that. Bye. Dafes. Oh, so good. That is so good. And it's healthy.